the Indian government has marginally increased duty drawback rates for several textile items, applicable for the year 2018-19. However, there is a marginal decrease in the duty drawback rates of apparel items. The announcement made through Ministry of Finance's Notification No. 95/2018 Customs, NT, shall come into force from December 19, 2018. Several Japanese companies, including Itochu Sakai Aimori, are investing in expanding their stake in the Vietnamese textile and garments sector. In the first 11 months of this year, the sector's export value was $30 billion and trade surplus surpassed $13 billion, according to Vu Duc Giang, chairman of the Vietnam Textile and Apparel Association. Under the free trade agreement between India and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN, most cotton, woven cotton fabric and knitted fabric imported from India will enjoy tax exemption from January 1, making India a competitive supplier of such materials and machines to Vietnam. Indian businesses have invested in 201 big projects in Vietnam. The Cotton Association of India, CAI, has estimated cotton crop for 2018-19 season beginning October 1, 2018, at 340.25 lakh bales of 170 kilograms each, which is lower by 3 lakh bales than its previous estimate of 343.25 lakh bales made during last month. The CAI has reduced crop estimate for Gujarat, Maharashtra and Telangana compared to its previous estimate. As Vietnam is yet to sign a free trade agreement with Canada, so the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, CPTPP, will help it boost textile garment shipments to Canada and the North American market in future, according to Lak Trong, Director General of the Vietnam National Textile and Garment Group, Vinatex. At least a dozen Asian garment companies will start operations in Haiti by mid-2019, according to Georges Sassine, president of the Association of Industries of Haiti, ADIH, who said the two main challenges are the lack of buildings to house the companies and shortage of skilled workers, both of which the association is trying to solve. The National Retail Federation, NRF, the world's largest retail trade association, has reported that the retail industry employment in U.S. in November grew by 18,600 jobs seasonally adjusted from October, accounting for 12% of the 155,000 job increase overall. Year over year, the retail employment was down by 16,300 jobs unadjusted.